By watching this video, you will remember your school life, how you have celebrated the sports day, how you have participated in the sports day. So guys, you will enjoy the video. Go on watching. Everybody, right now I am in a school which is very near to Bhutan, around 5 kilometers away from Bhutan and 5 kilometers away from our house. And here the school is, this is a private school, Malivita Don Bosco School. They are having a sports day. Here I am welcome as a guest. So I'll be collecting some views and I'll show you how the gathering and how the children enjoy in the sports events, in the sports annual day. So go on watching and I'll show you how the program is conducted.
Morning to all of you. We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because curiosity Yes. We welcome you all for
We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come one day. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain.
And the vice captain led by Pranisa Nagaru, who is clever and joyful. Each house is represented by captain and the vice captain. Here, and inside is the blue house in the blue color which symbolize wisdom, trust, loyalty, and strength. Led by Captain Joaquin Demare, who is an excellent player. And the Vice Captain Ajima Vargayari is a good dancer. Now, as a good team spirit, and the Vice Captain Lucky Bosmatare is a good player. Now, Francis House is marching majestically in front of you.
मैं अपना इंटरव्यू देता हूँ। मैं सुशीपुर कैंप का कैंप आईसी है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आज जो कि आप लोग का स्पोर्ट्स मीट में मुझे चीफ गेस्ट के हिसाब से इनवाइट किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
বহাগতে আমারে আই মহুরা হই ঘুরে বহাগতে আমারে আই মহুরা হই ঘুরে মাখো তুলোর হাতে রে লক্ষ্মী মিয়া ধরে হরাত নিখাই তোরা রে অজয় আই রেখে ও ভারত রে পূর্ব দিশর সূর্য উঠা দে
the students themselves are able to at best today. You have developed your key talent say to discover personality. Your talents to develop.
Nice.
It's a very important day for the school, Don Bosco School of Malivita, as we are having the annual sports day.
Here with me, aside of me, Sister Nima Topo, the principal, the headmistress of the school. So, Sister, I would like to ask you, how did you feel after the program is over? How much successful do you feel?
I feel relaxed. Because the program is over.
Yeah.
Okay, by the grace of God, everything went on well.
Yes.
So we are happy. Thank you so much.
So, thank you, Sister. Hi, and here with me, the vibrant and committed teacher, Sir Suman Tokno. He is from far away. Then here, after the program.
From Tezpur.
Okay. Sir is from Tezpur. From far away from Tezpur, he comes here just to contribute his knowledge, just to contribute to our area. So here, Sir Suman, how did you feel after this sports day celebration? Please tell us.
Today, after working for 3 days, continuous 3 days and nights, today we concluded. So after the conclusion, we felt that before we were feeling that it will not be happening, so because it was our first time in this school.
So,
this grand sport or whatever we say, like pegging tent house or march past drill display. This march past we were having, but drill display, tent house, and these things were first time. So at last, when we saw it, we were almost 70%. Successful. Successful. So when we look after that, more than 50% when it goes, we feel very happy. And students also committed with us. They also cooperated with us. So it is very nice.
Very nice. So, thank you, Sir Suman. So, go on working hard, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
And along with me here, Huri Basmothari, he was also the guest in the program. Da nebe bitangaबो जोंनि आयंआबो सासे बेवहायनि दैदेनगिरि हिसाबै आलासि हिसाबै लेंहर जादोंमोन बे प्रग्रामावहाय. दा आयंनाव आं सोंनो नागिरदों, आयंआ माबायदि मोनखो दिनै बे प्रग्रामाव बाहागो लाफैनानै आलासि महरै?
आंथ' बे प्रग्रामाव फैनानै बिराद मोजां मोनबाय. जिहेतु जोंनि बेकवर्ड एरियायावहाय जिहेतु बेबादि स्कुल खुलिनानै जे बेबादि प्रग्रामखौ खुंदों आरो बेबादि जोंनि बिमा बिफाफ्रा गार्जेनफ्रा जे गथ'फोरखौ बे स्कुलाव फोरोंनानै हयथ' बेबादि खेला गेलेनाय जे स्पर्ट्सफोरजों बिराद बिमा बिफाखौ फोथांबोबाय आरो राहा लामा होबाय आरो बे जोंनि एरियायावबो बेबादिनो गथ'फ्रा ओंखारलांगोन होननानै आं आसा खालामबाय.
Thank you. Esenese, Gezentheng.
Esenese, Gezentheng.
They have 262 students and 14 staff members. So with that, they run here. Right now, they have from class nursery to class 9. This year, they are starting class 9 also. This video ended. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The children have enjoyed a lot. So the place was Malivita. It is a Don Bosco school, which is very near to Bhutan. It is just 5 kilometers to 6 kilometers away from the Bhutan.